Is TikTok banned? The fourth most popular social media in the United States with 150 million users, it again is facing a ban in the US, according to BBC and Politico. The whole commotion is due to the rumors that China gets access to personal data of millions of Americans through TikTok, and that the app is a great tool for espionage. Why are so many sources talking about it, though? The owner of TikTok is a Chinese company called ByteDance. It's understandable that using foreign programs is risky when you work in the government or special agencies, but what if you're an ordinary citizen that uses the app for entertainment or your small business purposes? What should you do now, and should you be preparing to not use TikTok ever again? These questions we will answer in this video. Welcome to Thrive with Sellvia. My name is Diane, and Sellvia is an e-commerce ecosystem that builds hundreds of businesses every day and helps newcomers confidently enter the industry and thrive. We're sure we've got something you want to know. Let's roll. So, when did everything start? CNN and Business Insider reported in the beginning of 2023 that University of Texas and Auburn University blocked the access to TikTok from campus Wi-Fi. February 27th, 2023, Associated Press reported that the White House told federal agencies that they had 30 days to delete the app from government devices. March 1st, 2023, CNBC reported that the TikTok ban bill passed the key House committee. On March 2023, TikTok's chief executive, Shu Chu, was questioned about the app's relationship to its parent company and China's potential influence over the platform. In April, BBC reported that the state of Montana banned TikTok with 54 to 43 votes. Why? It's said that to encourage dangerous activities, violations of the bill might result in a fee of up to $10,000. Reuters reported that FBI Director Christopher Wray told a Senate in March that the app screams of potential security concerns. All right, there are issues. What are possible ways out? The corporation claims to have spent more than $1.5 billion on data security initiatives as part of Project Texas. The project's aim is to collaborate with the Texas-based company Oracle and move all the U.S. customer data to facilities outside China. Also, there have been proposals from Biden's administration to Chinese owners to sell the app, or there'll be a ban. According to the New York Times, on March 23rd, a spokeswoman for China's Commerce Ministry said China would firmly oppose the sale of the app. However, not everything is so black and white. According to Kaylin Ching, a fellow at the Center for Strategic and International Studies, in democratic governments, the government can't just ban free speech or expression without very strong and tailored grounds to do so. And it's just not clear that we have that yet. Basically, as far as we can judge, the whole ban can be deemed unconstitutional due to violation of the First Amendment. Moreover, it sets a precedent by which the government will be able to ban any social media platform based on quote-unquote espionage suspicion. They will find a justification, right? Of course, the news wasn't met with happiness. Some people opposed the ban. The American Civil Liberties Union sent a letter in late February to the House Foreign Affairs Committee to protest its bill, saying that the legislation would violate Americans' First Amendment rights. Of course, millions of Americans, digital creators, and marketers would hate to see the platform go away, and that would cause a stir as well.
It's done much more than just give me exposure. It has actually allowed me to increase my income by 700%, and this extra income has allowed me to support myself, build a studio, and pay staff, and if this platform is taken away, then I'm not sure if I'll be able to continue to do that. TikTok has given me, and countless others like me, the opportunity to showcase our talents and make a living doing what we love. So I urge you to consider the impact that banning TikTok could have on people like me. It will not only take away a source of income, but it will also stifle creativity and prevent talented individuals from sharing their art with the world.
All right, Politicians are being politicians. They do their job. And every citizen has their opinion on the topic. Some opinion wins one day. But while all of that fuss is taking place, it's in your power, and I'd say it's your responsibility to make sure your business is safe whatever happens. So please just to protect it. In case something that you don't expect happens, do the following. Do not put all eggs in one basket. If you use several social media platforms to market your business, keep doing it. If TikTok actually gets banned, you have other sources you can utilize and you won't be taken by surprise. Remind your audience of other platforms you use. Make sure that your TikTok followers know where to find you on other social media platforms and encourage them to follow you there. Save your content. If you don't keep copies of your content somewhere, it's time to do it right now. Make sure to copy everything your TikTok account has. And if something happens, you can remove the watermark and reuse the videos all over again without being upset over lost hours of work. We strongly recommend you to do all of the mentioned things. That's good to have a positive outlook and believe that the government won't ban anything. However, it's important to be prepared just in case. If you haven't looked into other social media platforms, you can make a great use of Instagram Reels. A lot of TikTok videos end up there anyway, so the format is just perfect. And YouTube Shorts, another analog of TikTok, initially made to make up for the ban of TikTok on the Indian market. Both of these options can bring a great ton of attention and buyers to your brand. There are also many just as great ways to do it. For example, good old dropshipping, but tailored to the latest technologies. To learn more about how Sellvia redefined dropshipping, book a free consultation by following the link in the top right corner or in the video description. Is TikTok banned though? Not as of now, but it's always great to be prepared, right? In this video, we talked about the whole situation and the ways you can get out of it possibly with even more success. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Leave your comments and feedback down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!